how you can lock your Facebook Messenger without any third-party apps. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So as you can see right here, I can access my Messenger without any problem. Now, I want more security, so what do? I'll teach you guys now a simple trick that you can use to lock your Messenger in your iPhone. So the app you want to use is Shortcuts. It's already pre-installed in your iPhone, so just open Shortcuts up. After you open Shortcuts, go to Automation. When you tap on Automation, just tap on Add New Automation or the plus icon on the top right. After you tap there, scroll down till you find App. After you tap on App, just choose an app. Let us search for Messenger. And after you do that, tap on Done. Now make sure that you select Run Immediately. And after you do that, you can tap on Next. Now after you do that, you'll see a new blank automation under Get Started. So tap on New Blank Automation. And under New Blank Automation, tap on Add Action. Now right there, you'll need to search for Lock Screen. And just select Lock the Screen. And after you do that, tap on Done. Now as you can see, I've added a shortcut automation that will lock my screen whenever I open Messenger. Now let us try it out. So I'll just remove both of those right there. And now let us open our Messenger app. So there you can see, automatically the screen gets locked whenever I open my Messenger app. And I'll have to use my Face ID to log in. Now after I log in, you can use your Messenger normally and no one else can access it. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more.